Fast roaming and seamless data communications, enabled by HMS Network's Anybus wireless networking technology, ensured a reliable operation of AGVs for a Swedish manufacturer of heavy vehicle components, helping increase their production efficiency and throughput. The manufacturer brought in Lofquist Engineering AB to develop AGVs for their production facility. The AGVs needed to move freely between production cells to supply and collect components.
Our factory floor is a tough and demanding industrial environment, so it was essential for us to develop a robust communications network with good functionality. The rugged design and high reliability of the wireless bolts and access points used in the HMS Network's Anybus solution was ideal in meeting our requirements.
The solution was to mount 2 Anybus wireless bolt devices on each of the AGVs to enable connection to a wireless network via Bluetooth or wireless LAN. Additionally, Anybus wireless access points were installed at strategic points to form the wireless network and ensure an overlapping coverage area that facilitates roaming. As well as the Anybus wireless solutions, Lofquist also installed the easy-to-use Anybus X gateway, simplifying the multi-vendor PLC solution of the production floor by translating between Ethernet IP and Profinet. The AGVs are operating almost continuously 24 hours a day, which has enabled the manufacturer to increase production to 5,000 units a week. The reliable and resilient HMS Network's Anybus communication solution is playing a pivotal role in achieving these results by ensuring seamless data network connectivity across the entire factory floor. Discover how Anybus HMS Networks can improve your data network connectivity across your operation. Visit us at anybus.com.